Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. Welcome one and all. In this video I'm going to do some cooking. So before we get into the video, please like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about my channel. Thanks for the support guys. Let's get right into this video. So I have some chicken breast right here. I'm going to do, first of all, I didn't tell you that I was going to make jerk chicken, oven jerk chicken. We have some thyme, some garlic, piece of hot pepper, some onions, scallions, some pimento seeds, a tablespoon of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And I put 2 tablespoons of water just to keep the blender moving. And we're going to blend this for probably 5 seconds or so. This is the jerk season we're making. Now guys, season your chicken with your favorite seasoning. That is the complete seasoning from Maggi. This is some black pepper. Then we have here some all-purpose seasoning, the Maggi all-purpose seasoning also. I love Maggi seasoning. Maggi seasoning just give me that buzz on my food. That's the what's that again? Sauce. Fish and meat sauce. And you just give that a stir. That down to marinate, whether you can do it overnight or you want to do it for a few hours, it's fine, but you just put it to marinate for a minute. Then you're gonna put I use foil paper on my baking sheet because it's easier to clean up afterwards. So just put the foil paper and give it a little grease, and I'm gonna place my chicken on that. Now guys, I'm going to make some vegetables with my jerk chicken. Here I'm cutting up some lettuce. I'm going to be using lettuce, cucumber and tomato from my salad, and then I'm going to put a little garnish on it just to give it a little different taste, spice up things and stuff like that. some extra virgin olive oil. So what I'm doing is I use the rest of the jerk seasoning that was left in the bowl. Just use it to make some sauce to drizzle over the chicken. I've just put a little ketchup and a little browning and a little vinegar and stuff like that in it. And just sprinkle it over the chicken. I'm gonna put this back in the oven and bake for another 5 minutes. And then the chicken will be all ready to serve. Look at that, guys, tender and juicy jerk chicken. Now we have dinner right here. I'm gonna put a little corn over my vegetables. Guys, whenever you're ready for the dinner idea, the quick and easy and healthy and delicious dinner ideas, just head over to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for coming. I'm going to put some cheese on top of that. And dinner is served. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.